Welcome to another session of Azure. So in this session I am quickly going to tell how to delete a virtual machine that we have created earlier. So if I go back and see my portal, so you have to log into your portal.azure.com and go to your virtual machine sections. So here you need to see which our virtual machines are available. So I want to delete my Linux virtual machine, so I will select the Linux virtual machine here, and I need to make sure that the machine has been stopped, and in case you have any data, you should be preserving that data or you have taken a backup of that data. So I will simply go ahead and select the machine and click on my delete. So it will ask you to delete. Okay, so once this is deleted, so remember the resources that are associated, okay, with this machine, that will not be deleted. Okay, so you have to manually delete them. Okay, so let's delete the machine only. I will click yes and delete. So it will delete my machine. So if you can see, the machine has been deleted. My Linux machine is gone. Now if you come back to home, you will still see there are different resources that are there that might still be available. Okay, so if I will go to my resource group, okay, so if you come to Azure Learning Resource Group where I have created the resources, so you can see various resources. So the resources that were related to Linux, that I have named with Linux, like the public IP address and other resources, that are still showing me here. Okay, so I have to remove them. If you want to completely remove it, so you have to remove those resources as well. See the disks that I have attached, that disks are also here. Okay, so if you want to remove this, you have to select that. Okay, and you can simply delete the specific resources. So you have to click on delete, and it will delete the resources with the name Linux. So that's why I've given it as a name as Linux here. So I will say yes, I want to delete, and I will delete. So remember, every time you remove a virtual machine, you have to remove the resources specifically. That's why naming is very important when you are naming it, so that it easily identifies what resources are associated with which specific components. So let it remove. So it is removing. Once it is removed, you will see that notification here that the particular resource has been deleted. So let it delete. It will be completed in few minutes. Okay, so see, now the resources with Linux are removed. So if I go back to overview and see, all my resources are there, but if you see, there is one resource still pending, that is the virtual network that was created in Central India. So if you want, you can delete it. If you want to keep it, or if you want to again initiate any resource in that particular region, you can keep this virtual network. So it totally depends on you. So I will keep this network and I will use it further in further sessions. Okay, so if you want, what I can go ahead and do it, I will see this specific resource. So if you want, you can delete it or leave as it is. Okay, so let me delete only, so to avoid any confusion. So I will delete, so you can delete it from that specific resource itself. So now that resource is also gone. Now all the resources you can see is only located in US. That is my Windows specific resources, so I will keep them as it is. So removing these resources are important to avoid any extra billing that it will incur. So that was all for this video. See you in next video. Thank you. If you like, please subscribe to my channel.